Living by the shores of Lake Turkana are living in fear following the fluctuations of water levels that is threatening the livelihoods of about 500,000 people. Residents, including fishermen and traders, have raised concern over the effects of the swelling lake, with hotels in the area now closed. Mika Kitio with the details.
The rising water level of Lake Turkana, which started last year, has displaced thousands of people along its shores and destroyed properties, submerging beaches, hotels, home and government office.
Maji yamekuwa mengi kupita kiasi. Siku baada ya siku maji yanazidi kuongezeka. Mpaka saizi imebidi tufunge kampu.
Kwa muda wa wiki tatu imesonga kwa mita 500 sasa. Na imetuharibia. Sasa hivi hakuna kazi. Makastoma walikuwa wanakuja, sasa hivi hakuna kutokea chochote. Tuko tu, imefanya wafanyikazi wetu wengi wameenda nyumbani.
Residents in Kalokol, Longech, Lorengak and Namkusi areas are fishermen and they have been forced to relocate as the water level rises.
Maji ndio imejaa zaidi, hakuna ya mvua ambapo imetoka kwa bahari tu inakuja mbali inasonga kama laga. Shughuli yetu ni bahari. Tunahama usiku, tunahama mchana, hakuna venye sisi tunasaidika. So, hiyo ndio sisi wenyewe wa hapa mji wa Kalokol tunateseka sana.
Hotel owners here say they have lost millions of shillings after their hotels were submerged in water.
We used to have our exclusive cottages down there. We lost like 7 of them. That's worth something like 5 million. Also, we lost some 2 marine boats worth also 5 million. Now we've been struggling to survive actually. And things have not been that well on us.
The Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry Chairman Pius Eoton urged the Tourism Fund Board to give more funds to the owners of these hotels to boost their business.
And you can see so many businesses have been submerged, especially hotels and restaurants. So as the chairman of Turkana, I'm kindly requesting the minister, Mr. Balala, for tourism, to actually undertake a bit of emergency support to these businesses in terms of finance, so that these businesses can be able to pick up from where they are now.
Kitio Mika Masai, TV 47 Kalokol in Turkana County.